In this video, we will discuss one of the 15-minute scalping trading strategies that you can use in all markets such as Forex, crypto, gold, and others. Besides being applicable on the 15-minute time frame, this scalping trading strategy can also be utilized on the 5-minute or 1-minute time frame. However, based on our experimentation, this trading strategy tends to be more effective when used on the 15-minute time frame. The scalping trading strategy discussed in this video will combine pullback methods and price action techniques, so make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. You can use this scalping trading strategy on the TradingView platform. Now, open your TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Market Bias. Then select Market Bias from Professor X. Next, go to the Market Bias Indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the smoothing value to 50. Then uncheck the box next to Show HA Candles. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This indicator can be used as a trend guide in the market. If the line from the market bias is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, you will focus solely on finding the best points to place buy orders. Meanwhile, if the line from the market bias is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, you will focus solely on finding the best points to place sell orders. In addition to being used as a trend guide in the market, you can also utilize this market bias indicator to monitor corrections occurring in the market. When the market bias changes from bright green to dark green, it indicates a correction in the bullish trend. Similarly, if the color of the market bias changes from bright red to dark red, it signals a correction during a bearish trend. If you're using this indicator alone, you can also take advantage of these signals. For example, during a bullish trend, if the line color changes from bright green to dark green, you can wait until the market bias line returns to bright green before placing a buy order. Once the line color returns to bright green, you can then place a buy order. The same approach can be applied during a bearish trend. However, in this video, we won't be using this method. We'll only use the market bias as a trend guide and as a bounce-off point for entries. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a guide to place buy and sell orders. Go back to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type RSI Histoalert strategy and select RSI Histoalert strategy from Potter. For the RSI Histoalert, just leave it at the default settings. Using RSI Histoalert is very straightforward. When the candlestick is green, it indicates a bullish trend. Meanwhile, if the candlestick is red, it indicates a bearish trend. So, when the candlestick changes from red to green, it's a buy signal. Conversely, when the candlestick changes from green to red, it's a sell signal. Now, let's discuss how to use both indicators together. How to place a buy order. 1. If the market bias indicator is green, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. 2. Then, wait for the candlestick to correct against the market bias indicator line. 3. After that, wait for a buy signal from the RSI Histoalert indicator, meaning the candlestick changes from red to green. 4. Once the buy signal appears, ensure that the market bias line remains green. 5. After all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the green candlestick closes. 6. Place a stop loss at the last swing low. 7. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. 1. If the market bias indicator is red, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. 2. Then, wait for the candlestick to correct against the market bias indicator line. 3. After that, wait for a sell signal from the RSI Histoalert indicator, meaning the candlestick changes from green to red. 4. Once the sell signal appears, ensure that the market bias line remains red. 5. After all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the red candlestick closes. 6. Place a stop loss at the last swing high. 7. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Note, if the price candlestick has not yet corrected against the market bias line, disregard any signals that appear from the RSI Histoalert. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and see you in the next one.